Let us consider the problem of finding the distribution of x plus y when the joint density function is given. Right? We shall use transformation of random variables to do this, and let a is equal to x plus y and b is equal to y be the transformations, which implies y is equal to b and x plus y is equal to a, y is equal to b and x plus b is equal to a, y is equal to b and x is equal to a minus b. Okay, right. Now let us find the Jacobian of transformation. Dou x by dou a, dou x by dou b, dou y by dou a, dou y by dou b. Dou x by dou a is dou x by dou b is minus 1, dou y by dou a is 0, dou y by dou b is 1. So you get 1. Now g of a comma b is f of x comma y into Jacobian of transformation 1 by 2 x into e power minus y. Right? What is x? A minus b, and e power minus what is y? B. Fine. The range is, for x it is 0 to 2. So for a minus b it is 0 to 2, and y is greater than 0. Y is nothing but b. B is greater than 0. So we have g of a comma b. Right? From this we wish to derive g of a, the distribution of a. Let us think about this the region of integration. See, this part says a minus b is greater than 0. This is the region to be plotted. Let us consider a minus b equal to 0 first. A equal to 0 implies b is also equal to 0. A is equal to 1 implies b is equal to 1. So the points are a comma b, 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. Let us consider, to find the region of integration, we are doing this. Let us consider this part, a minus b less than 2. So to plot this region, take it as an equation. A is equal to 0 implies b is equal to 0 minus b equal to 2 minus 2. B is equal to 0 implies a is equal to 2. So the points are a comma b and a comma b. Right? Okay. And the third inequality that is to be plotted is b greater than 0. So by plotting all these regions, you can find the range of integration. Okay, see, first fine, see 0 comma 0 and 1 comma 1. So this is one line, and actually it is a minus b equal to 0. But your condition says a minus b should be greater than 0. Let us take this point as a testing point. Put a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. You get an answer 1 which is greater than 0. So this point is satisfying the condition. Right? So put an arrow mark towards that point. This is your region. Okay? Now let us plot this. 0 minus 2 is this point. 2 comma 0 is this point. Join them by means of straight line. right? And your line is a minus b equal to 2, right? A minus b equal to 2. Now let us once again take this as the testing point. You can take any point, right, above or below as the testing point. 1 comma 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. The inequality says the answer that you get should be less than 2. Yes, the condition is satisfied. So this is your region. Right? Region where the point lies is your region. And b greater than 0. So what is the equation first? B is equal to 0. This is your b, right? This is your a axis, right? A axis is b equal to 0. B greater than 0 means this area. So you need the points below this line, above this line, and above this line. So this is your region. Fine. So this is the region of integration. Now let us consider the point of finding g comma b. While finding g comma a. While finding g comma a, you have to integrate g of a comma b with respect to b. See, with respect to b means over y-axis, the height. So here, from here to here, you should integrate from this line to this line. But after this, you should integrate from this line to this line. There is a change, right? So I call this as my first region and this as my second region. So to find g of b, when a is from 0 to 2, what should you do? G of b is equal to integral g of a comma b. What is that you require? A. G of a, right? G of a. A is x plus y. G of a comma b is equal to integral g of a comma b db. Right? So in this range, what is the, in this region, what is the range of b? B is equal to 0 to a minus b equal to 0 means what is b? A is equal to b. So 0 to a you should integrate. Okay. So integral 0 to a 1 by 2 a minus b into e power minus b db. This has to be integrated. Okay. Now after 2, what happens? When b is greater than, when a is greater than 2. When a is greater than or equal to 2, g of a is integral from this line to this line. What is b here? A minus 2. What is b here? B is equal to a. G of a comma b db. Right? That is a minus 2 to a 1 by 2 a minus b e power minus b db. Okay. To do this integration, let us use Bernoulli's formula, right? Let me take a minus b as u and dv is e power minus b db. You are integrating with respect to b. So what is u dash? When you differentiate with respect to b, you get 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. u2 dash becomes 0. What about v here? It is e power minus b by minus 1. What about v1? Again integrate e power minus b by minus 1 into minus 1. That is e power minus b. v2 is not required because u2 dash becomes 0. The Bernoulli formula says integral u dv can be written as uv minus u dash v1 plus u2 dash v2 minus etc. Okay, I am going to use this formula. So let us integrate 1 by 2 u a minus b v e power minus b by minus 1 minus u dash minus 1 v1 is e power minus b. After that everything becomes 0. That's all is the answer for this. Okay. Right. Here again 1 by 2 is taken out. uv, u is a minus b, v is e power minus b by minus 1 minus u dash is minus 1, v1 is e power minus b. The limit is from a minus 2 to a. The limit alone is changing, right? Okay, let us substitute the limits now. 1 by 2. Let us take this minus 1 outside. Put b is equal to a. What happens? A minus a becomes 0 into 0. Anything is 0. And then put b is equal to 0. You get a e power a minus 0 a. E power minus 0 is 1. That's all. Okay. Minus into minus is plus. Put the upper limit for b a, e power minus a. Put the lower limit for b as 0. You get 1. Right? So what is the answer? 1 by 2. Minus into minus is plus. Plus e power minus a minus 1. Okay. So this is your final answer. 1 by 2. A into e power minus a minus 1 is your g of a. Let us come here. Let us substitute the upper limit. Minus is taken outside. Okay. Put the upper limit for a. A minus a becomes 0 minus 0 into anything becomes 0. Minus put the lower limit for b as a minus 2. A minus a plus 2. A gets cancelled. You have 2. E power minus a minus 2. Okay. That's all. Minus into minus plus. Put the upper limit for b as a minus lower limit is e power minus a minus 2. Right? So you have 1 by 2. Minus into minus is plus. 2 e power minus a e power plus 2. Minus a plus 2. Okay? E power minus a minus e power minus a e power plus 2. See, this is 2 times and this is 1 time. So I can write it as 1 times of this plus e power minus a. Here again e power minus a can be taken out as the common term. So you have e square plus 1. Right? So let us now summarize. G of a is equal to 1 by 2 a plus e power minus a minus 1 when 0 less than or equal to a less than or equal to 2, and it is 1 by 2 e power minus a into e square plus 1 when a is greater than or equal to 2, 0 otherwise. So this is how you find the distribution of the sum of two random variables which I have taken as a. Right? This is the distribution of the sum of two random variables which we derived using this joint density function. Okay, thank you.